Okay, so we threw a bit more rock in here. Got it up a little bit higher. I think it's still probably too low, but that ought to be closer to the height we need. This thing's still cranking away. Probably gonna, like, it gurgles every now and then. I don't think it's actually stopped yet. I don't really see where the water's at. I think it's about here. So I kind of wonder if yeah. There we go. Now it burped. But like the flow rate of this thing is so close to the flow rate of that once it was almost down to the bottom, it just wasn't, it never stopped. It never filled back up again. This thing's a beast. You can see the water levels here now. So it's coming back up. See the water coming in right here. That's the lowest point in there. Now we can see it in the middle. Still a little bit too low.